I don't want to kiss ass, but I also don't want to bash makeup products just because people don't like the brand or people hate Kylie, so her brand is crap. I don't want to do that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica, and for today's video we are going to review the new Kylie Cosmetics Sailor collection. Ignore the tape on my eyes, you guys. I was not planning on filming this video, and I was going to make makeup look with this collection, and I thought, why not filming a review for YouTube? So that's why the tape. But yeah, if you guys want to see me trying for the first time the Kylie Cosmetics Sailor collection, as well give you guys my honest opinion, make sure you keep on watching. First, let's talk about this packaging. I mean, look how cute this is. This is so cute. I'm in love with her packaging, and I feel like every time she comes with a new collection, the packaging is always improving and getting cuter, and I really love this one. I mean, when it comes to packaging, I think she has one of the best in the game. Always so cute, always so much detail, and I really like that. But let's open it up and see what's on the inside. So here it is. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. Her packaging, it's so cute. I die every time. Really pretty packaging. I love the Sailor team. I love everything about it. So let's start with eyeshadow. You guys see I have tape on my eyes because I was ready to film an eye look with the palette. So let's dive into the palette. So this is what the palette looks like. I already swatched it. I tried some shades, so I cannot wait to see the payoff. And yeah, I think I'm gonna play with blues today. You know, I have this blue top, so I'm kind of inspired by it. So I'm going to do a blue look today, and I love the blues on the palette as well. I do like the red, but I don't think I'm gonna use the red today. I think I'm gonna stick with blue. I'm just gonna swatch some of the shades so you guys can see how they swatch. Let me try this matte blue and maybe the red as well. I mean, it swatches really well. It looks really pigmented. Let me swatch it on my hand here. Yeah. You guys can see it swatches beautifully. When it comes to the shades and the colors and how they placed everything, I really like it. I love the blues. I love that you can do a more everyday kind of look. You have some pinks, you have some neutral, you have some browns and some warms, but you do have a lot of beautiful shimmers. They are really creamy when I touch them, and I love that they have blue colors as well. You can do a beautiful blue smoky eye. You can do some rose gold look with this area right here. You can do some everyday kind of look with these shades right here, and yeah, then you can play with some color as well. So I'm really happy about this combo. The only thing I wish Kylie did more on her palettes is to put more colors together, a lot of like a rainbow kind of palette, if you know what I mean. But I do understand why she doesn't do it, because most people, they like a more everyday playable palette with maybe some color, and that's what she does. But maybe like I wish one day she did like a rainbow kind of palette, a really cool and fun palette like that. So we're gonna move into eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go in with Slay Captain to kind of like set my eyes, because I used a base. This is like a pretty base shade for me. It's almost like my actual skin color. Now I'm gonna dive right into that blue, that navy blue right there, the blue ocean. And I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a lot of color on this palette, way more than her other palettes, and it's the blue that is doing that. I don't know if the other colors do that. This one did a bit as well, the Slay Captain. So I'm just gonna go and do kind of a wing line with the blue shade. So the look I'm trying to do is a super simple look. All you need is some tape and kind of place the shadow, the shade like an eyeliner, like a thick one, and then like kind of blend it out to be kind of smoked. And I want to do some shimmer on top and then place some rhinestones, kind of like the universe, inspired by that. Just gonna blend that shade out like so everything is like blended. Gonna even bring that blue further up. Then I'm gonna go over it with this shade right here. This is the Got the Blues, which is a shimmery navy blue. Kind of looks purple at the same time. Oh yeah, that's pretty. It's really pretty. Really want to bring that up as well. Now I'm gonna go in with Unsinkable and just place that right on my brow bone. Oh, that's pretty. You see when the light hits? Super pretty. I think I'm gonna go with the same shade on my tear duct. Okay, that is really pretty. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and place some rhinestones and be right back. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this look. It's so pretty. It really reminds me of the universe, you know, like the blue and the rhinestones as the stars. It's a pretty easy and simple look. So I'm gonna remove the tape now. Oh wow, so pretty. And so like, that's why I wanted the tape, because you get the really straight lines and this look is so pretty. I'm so obsessed. I'm just gonna like clean the fallout that I got in here. I did get a little bit on this side. No, not at all. I haven't cleaned my under eye, but on here I did got a bit, so I'm just gonna like clean that up. So now it's time for the first ever Kylie Cosmetic eyelashes. These are the Kylie Jenner lashes in the style Shady. So they are pretty like a basic kind of lash. They went for a more classic kind of style on their first lashes. And I love that they are short at the beginning and then super long at the end for that cat eye kind of look. I really like that. The only thing I wish they were a little bit more like fluffier, if you know what I mean. I like a more fluffy lash, but they are really pretty. So this is what they look like. They are a little bit long for me, which is great because not everybody has small eyes. But I'm gonna go and trim them and make it fit my eye and apply them. So I've cut them and now I'm gonna apply some lash glue. I love that they have a really thin like band. So it's not super thick, and it looks kind of ugly when it's like a super thick band. So I like that it's thin. So there is glue all over the band already. And now I'm just gonna let it dry and I'm gonna like speed the process with this fan. And I'm obsessed with this look. I am. And that's it. The lash is on. It's really pretty. If you like a natural kind of lash, this is for you because it's really natural. Again, the only thing I can say is that I wish it was a little bit more fluffier, but that's because I like a more dramatic look, especially when I do makeup looks like this. But if you like a more natural like kind of lash, this is really pretty. Okay, lashes are on, and now that both are on, you can see I love that they are like a cat eye kind of style lash, so it really looks good on this look. Now I'm gonna go off camera and finish my base, and then I will come back to show you guys these other products she came out with. We have the shadow sticks, we have the new lip kit, as well as a high gloss, new high gloss. So I'm just gonna go and finish my base, come back and show you guys these products. I don't know if I'm gonna use this on my face, but I will show you, swatch them, and show you guys how they look on camera. So the base is done and I look like a whole nother person. My face is snatched, and now it's time to finish the eyes and try the lippies. So I'm not sure if I should do blue under my waterline or if I should go with a brown shade. I don't know. I should go with blue, right? Yeah, I think so. So I'm gonna apply the blue like into like the middle part only. I'm not gonna go all the way. I think it looks pretty like this. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go with Stay Captain. Blend that shade out so it's not like super strong. Then on the other eye. The eye look is done, you guys, and oh my god, I'm obsessed with how it turned out. It's so pretty, so dreamy, and the rhinestones just give a beautiful touch to it. But I love how the shades blended really smoothly, really easy to blend, and I love this blue, like this dark blue with the shimmery blue on top, beautiful. And this shade right here, this might be my favorite because it's so pretty. If I'm facing straight, you can't see that shade, but once the light hits, it's beautiful. It's the Unsinkable from the palette, this one right here. Such a beautiful champagne-y rose gold kind of shade. I think that would be like such a beautiful highlighter, so I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah, you can see the difference right away. It's so pretty, really pretty. Like when I'm facing straight, you can see it, but once the light hits, it's just a beautiful, beautiful shade. Really pretty. Okay, now it's time for the lips, and I'm gonna be using this lip kit right here. Let me show you guys the packaging. And this is what is on the inside. We have the Kiss Me Sailor matte liquid lipstick, and oh my god, I almost fell. And we have the Kiss Me Sailor lip liner. So usually her lip kits have a matching lip liner, but this one is a little bit darker, which I love. Gives you that ombre kind of lip, and I really love that kind of lip. Darker lip liner and then a lighter lipstick on the center. And what I like to do is go in with a brush and blend it. And then go again with the lip liner and darken up the edges. That's such a pretty combo. I really like it, but I do want to try the high gloss, so I'm just gonna go with it on top, even though it's like a red tinted gloss. I think it's more of a sheer gloss, so I think it will look good here. This is the Private Iceland high gloss. I love their high gloss formulas. This is like one of my favorite glosses ever. I hope it's not too red. I really want a red lippy on this glam, but we will see. Always red. But yeah, you can see it's sheer, so once you blend it out, it's not red. Okay, so I actually love this combo. It's really pretty. So the last thing that Kylie Cosmetics came out with for the Sailor collection are these shadow sticks. So we have the shade Sandy Cheeks and Rock the Boat. Now this one, this is the Rock the Boat. When I was swatching it, I let it fall and it broke a bit, so you guys can see. But I'm just gonna like swatch it on the back of my hand. So these are the shades. So the gold one, let me show you guys. So the gold one is Sandy Cheeks and this one is Rock the Boat. Beautiful, very pigmented and so shiny. These are really easy if you want to just do a cut crease or do a very easy eye. You just go with it and apply it and that's it. I really didn't want to use them on today's look because I think the way the look it is right now is just like fine. I think I would like ruin it if I apply this, so I just swatched them on the back of my hand so you guys can see. Okay, so I'm gonna be really honest with you guys here. I pretty much liked everything from this collection. Some things more than others, but there is nothing that I hate or that I didn't like at all. So with the eyeshadow palette, the only thing I can complain about is the fallout. It gets dirty, but it's not like crazy. As you guys can see, like the blue one gave a little bit more fallout and the stick kept on as well. I tried the shimmeries and there were not fallout on there. The eyeshadow sticks, I like them. They swatch beautifully, but I really don't know if they perform well. I have the other ones that I used before from her and I like them. They are really pretty and creamy and stay in place, but I don't know, I think this is the same formula, but I like the shades. When it comes to the liquid lipstick and like the lip kit, I really love it. Beautiful combo. The lip gloss is stunning. I love this lip formula. And then the eyelashes, they are like not my favorite. They are pretty, but for me, I like a more dramatic look. So these are not something that I would use for dramatic looks, but more for an everyday kind of look because they are more simple. Price is really standard for the other eyeshadow palettes that she comes out with, $44. I think that's the normal price for her palette, and this is a 16 pan palette. The lip kit is $29 and it's the same price as the other lip kits, and it comes with a liquid lipstick and a lip liner. And then we have the high gloss, which is $16. The lashes are $18, which is not bad. Shadow stick duo, it's $18 for both shadow sticks. And then we have like the whole bundle. If you buy it as a bundle, it's $115. Yeah, I think I really like this collection. Overall, I really like the products. It worked for me and it's cute and I like it. So that is not much negative I have to say. I have to be honest with you. I don't want to kiss ass, but I also don't want to bash makeup products just because people don't like the brand or people hate Kylie, so her brand is crap. I don't want to do that. I will tell you I like it if I like it, and I will tell you I don't like it if I don't like it. And I like it, so that's pretty much it for today's review, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had fun filming it. If you enjoyed watching me, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I love you and I see you on my next one. Bye bye.